Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB stick from a Windows 7 installation disk. There are two applications needed for that. One is called Magic ISO, which will make an ISO image file from the DVD, and the other one is the Windows 7 USB DVD download tool, which is available free of charge to download from Microsoft's website. So I have Magic ISO loaded up already here, as you can see, and the first thing I'm going to do is just go into the tools menu and use the command which says make ISO from CD/DVD-ROM. It will prompt me for the optical drive and for the output file name. I'm just going to put this on the desktop, name it Win7. This is really important to use the format ISO, because otherwise the tool won't recognize the image file. You can leave the other settings intact and I'm going to click on OK. And now it will just start to copy the disk into the ISO file, and after that we will use the Windows 7 USB download tool. Basically, meanwhile this is running, I'm just quickly going to tell you what you will need to do this. At first you will need a computer with an optical drive which can read DVDs. And the other requirement is a free USB port on the computer and a USB stick, which has to be at least 4 GB inside. And yeah, basically that's it. Okay, as you can see, the progress is almost ready. It will be just a few more seconds to complete. So after that, we are going to open the Windows 7 USB DVD download tool. Okay, so now it's ready. We can close Magic ISO, we won't need it. Here we have the ISO file, and I'm just going to bring up this application. As you can see, it will ask for some elevated permissions. You can basically just say yes to it. And now we are just going to find the ISO file. I just put it onto my desktop, so yeah, here's it. And now I'm just quickly going to click next. It will scan the ISO file and ask me what I would like to do with it. There are two options. I can make a bootable USB device, or I can burn it to a DVD. Obviously, I don't want to burn it to a DVD because I just already imported it. So I'm just going to select USB device. It will ask me to select the proper USB device. Make sure you select your USB device, which you can find basically here. As you can see, this is it. And basically there's nothing more left than just to click on begin copying. It will format the USB drive, so please back up all your data if you have there any sensitive data. And after the formatting is complete, it will start to copy the ISO file over and make the disk bootable as well. We are going to test that, of course. Right, as you can see, it's now copying the files to the stick. The speed of this process will depend on the speed of your actual USB drive. I'm using quite a cheap one. This is I bought it for €5 in Tesco, so it's nothing much, but you know, for this it's just more than enough. Okay, so as you can see, it's almost ready. It's 99% now. So it will soon finish copying the files, and after that I'm just quickly going to test the USB stick in my other computer to see if it boots up. Okay, as you can see, it says that the bootable device was created successfully. So I'm just going to close this down now, and I'm just going to test the stick in my other computer. So here I am in the boot menu of my other computer, and now I'm just going to select the USB boot device. And as you can see, it's just starting up the installation from the USB stick. If you can see there the blinking red dot just on the right of the screen, yeah, that's my USB drive blinking. As you can see, it's now starting Windows, and basically it will just bring up the installation in a few seconds. It's usually a bit faster than the DVD because the USB is a solid state device. It doesn't have any moving parts, so there is no seek time, and when Windows is loading up the installation, it's using a lot of tiny files, and that's why it takes longer to load from the DVD. So as you can see, I'm now in the installation, and I think the rest is pretty straightforward.